We are learning about the sounds C and K. C and K make the same sound. They make a K sound. But how do you know which one of these to spell? Well, C is a cuddly letter, so it always comes first and it always is at the start of a word. So for example, we've got cat and we've also got cute. K is a kicking letter and K goes at the end of words. An example of this is pink and also week, K at the end of the word. K does come at the beginning of a word sometimes though. We use K in front of an I, a Y or an E. So for example, the word king and key, they're at the beginning and they have an I and an E. So just to go back and remember, C comes at the beginning of words. So it makes a come, cat, cute. So that all is at the beginning of the word. A K comes at the K comes at the end of a word. So for example, back, pink, week. Except when there is an I, K starts the word when there is an I, a Y or an E.